A quick insight from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Scalable digital signage is shifting from nice-to-have to core operations, pushing teams to standardize content governance across networks. Executive summary. Scalable digital signage in healthcare is the practice of treating most patient-facing screens as part of one centrally governed communication network. A single platform controls content, approvals, and screen groupings across sites, so messages are created and scheduled once, then distributed consistently. The outcome is a reliable, auditable channel for patient information that reduces manual work and variability across locations. Today's signal. Operations leaders are using annual budget resets to pull scattered screen projects into a single governed layer for patient messaging. Fragmented waiting room screens show up as duplicate contracts, inconsistent workflows, and unclear ownership in budget reviews. Decisions made this quarter will lock in how flexible network-wide messaging is for the next funding cycle. WellView 365 enables centralized content management across departments by centralizing live routing, digital management, and digital conversion across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, budget owners can see and remove overlapping screen and content vendors instead of renewing quiet one-off contracts. Second, compliance and patient education updates can be scheduled once and reliably reach every relevant waiting area. Third, local staff no longer spend time manually changing USB sticks, playlists, or vendor portals for each screen. Fourth, leadership can quickly shift network-wide patient messaging during incidents, surges, or policy changes. How it works in practice. A common example is the annual push to update patient rights, privacy notices, and seasonal reminders across multiple sites. Marketing or patient experience drafts new content, compliance reviews it, and operations is asked to get it on many of the screens, using a mix of local vendors, thumb drives, and email instructions. Some clinics update quickly while others lag, and no one has a reliable view of what is live where. When screens and signage are managed as one governed asset class, a central team can approve content once, map it to screen groups by location or service, and schedule it to publish and expire on set dates, with logs for who changed what and when. One practical adjustment. This week, list most patient-facing screen, its current vendor or management method, and who approves its content. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, map current contracts and spend for all digital signage, cable loops, and local screen vendors into one view. Second, assign a single operational owner for network-wide patient messaging on screens with clear decision rights. Third, review and use a basic content request and approval workflow that every department must follow for screen updates. Fourth, define screen groups and publishing rules so patient messaging can be scheduled centrally instead of site by site. Read more at wellview365.com.